Hey guys, so I know there's this aspect of linked devices on WhatsApp, and you're probably wondering how to hide these linked devices on WhatsApp. Now, as of now, WhatsApp does not actually offer a built-in feature to hide, linked devices from your account, because when you do link a device such as WhatsApp Web or the desktop app, it will always be visible in the linked devices section right here. Okay? But what you can do, there's one workaround, and this one that will provide you temporary access. So what you do is you use WhatsApp Web in incognito mode. So let me open up the browser right here. And all you do is come to the top right, click on these three dots on your browser, and then tap on New Incognito tab. Okay, so you just use WhatsApp Web, okay, on your incognito tab or your private mode on your browser. You link your WhatsApp, and once you close the incognito window, the session is lost and it disappears from linked devices. So it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.